Today, we take a look at a kit that someone just threw away because it was missing parts. Well, we found and purchased the parts. We're going to build a good oldie. Join you guys inside. Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today we are building an oldie but a goodie. We are back to the Babylon 5. This is one of the original model kits, I think from 1997. So this kit was actually just being thrown away. There were a few missing parts, and you know, it's just one of those things. I get it. People, when kits are not complete. 1998 is when this kit came out. You know, they just don't want to expend money on it and do things to build the model. I'm pretty sure I've got everything now. The only real piece that was missing was the canopy. And luckily I was able to source a vacuum formed replica, replacement part online. I'll put a link down in the description to this. It's from Green Strawberry, to basically try to make this wonderful kit whole. The decals are still in here. Everything's still here. I'm not sure what the post-it notes are in here for, but the collector's pin is missing. Boo-hoo. But the majority of the kit is here so that we can make a really cool model. So this is what this is gonna be our first model build of the year, is this Babylon StarFury Mark 1. It's a really cool model. I've built it before a long time ago, back probably about 1999, 1998 when the kit was new. And now I want to kind of take it on again. With everything that I've learned over the last 25 years, almost 30 years, you know, I've got a lot of different paint techniques, weathering and different things that I want to try with this kit. So that's what this is going to be, our first kit of the year, and this is what we're going to tackle. I'm going to tackle it in 3 phases, 3 videos. First video is just build the initial build, get it ready for priming and get it ready for paint. Video 2 will be the initial paint. Video 3 will probably be the decals and weathering. So breaking it up over 3 videos. I get it if you wait till all 3 are posted and then you binge it. I'll put them in a playlist, don't worry about it. But this is the first one we're going to try, and I want to try to build this to an IPMS competitive level. I don't normally do that, but this year I kind of want to try to compete later in the year with a few of the builds from the channel. So hopefully you guys enjoy. If you do enjoy this type of content, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. We're always trying new techniques, looking at new ways of doing things, so make sure you join us with that subscription. And if you do enjoy it, make sure you hit that thumbs up. And maybe there's a technique you'd like to see me try. Post it down in the comments down below. Or if you got a question of where I got it from, or where this beautiful canopy replacement came from. Because the cool thing about the Green Strawberry one too is it comes with the masks to put into the window, so we can easily paint the metal frame that you see there. So hopefully you guys enjoy. I'm going to get into the build. I'm not going to completely build it all into one piece. We're going to build it into a lot of pieces. Some so we can do some filling and sanding, but also I want to keep certain places reachable so it's easy to paint. So kind of keep that in mind, but we're going to build the majority of it in this video today. So without further ado, let's get to that build.
right, guys, so pretty much this has been the first part of the build. I did lose the piece of footage where I was putting the top wing set on here, but all the engines are now on. We've got it assembled. Next step is going to be filling some gaps in the plane, in the StarFury itself. There's a few gaps that need some loving. We got to cut out the new canopy piece, the replacement part, and then we can start putting that in paint. So in actuality, and I'll show you guys, this is one of two StarFuries I'm building at the same time. This one I've already filled and built when trying to grab the footage. Did a lot of the gap filling and all that fun stuff already. This one has its base color. So next step is going to be doing that filling and getting that primer on there. And in case you guys are curious, I use the Monument Hobby Primer, flat black. And then this is just a base coat of Citadel's Lead Belcher. And you guys can see here I've cut the same canopy. I've got a little bit more cutting to fit. Used the mask to get the paint line, and I've glued in the control panel here. And Mr. Piloty is in here, ready for paint. So I've got to do some shoring up on that canopy. Then we got some gap fill we'll have to do and a little bit of touch-up painting. But all in all, next video, we're going to show the filling. We're going to get on to that painting of both of these. Now, I'm doing two of them. They're not going to be identical paint jobs. They're going to be different paint jobs. But you guys can kind of see here the level of detail. The gaps are not bad. And actually in the instruction books, there are several gaps it tells me to fill. That there's going to be gaps like here on the engines here. That even the manual says to putty the gaps. So that's a little bit different than what I'm used to seeing in a build. I don't normally see an instruction like that. I'm trying to pull that instruction up here real quick, but hopefully you guys have enjoyed this build. And there's the instruction right there. You can see that they're telling me, hey, fill this in with putty. So I've got some putty filling to do. I'll try to catch that on camera and start out the next video with putty. We'll go to primer, and then we can, with this one drying in primer, we can start painting the second one in the more detailed paint job. This one I'm actually looking at doing the Psychor, and the other one I'm kind of looking at the Sinclair's Fighter. So we've got a lot of cool ways to go. I know some footage was missing. There were parts that I didn't catch, or actually, I'll be honest, part of it I lost due to a storage issue, but we'll get back on it. We'll get better as we keep going with these kind of builds. But you guys can see for a 1990, I believe a 1995 or 1998 model, a lot of good detail here. And we're gonna keep going. We're gonna make these things look beautiful. The goal is to have these done before the end of May. There might be a third one popping up. I do have one more kit. And it's an incomplete kit, so I'm having to get aftermarket parts like these canopies to make them complete. So I will probably may do the third one off camera, but next time we'll see filling and we'll start seeing painting on these beautiful ships. Again, if you're new here and you want to see builds and learn how to do cool stuff like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you like the Babylon 5 StarFuries or have a recommended paint job, make sure to leave that down in the comments down below. So thank you guys for joining today, and we'll catch you in the next video.